In this video, you'll learn how to transfer Solana from Bitvavo to your Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully move your SOL tokens to your preferred wallet for secure storage or transactions. Begin by opening your Phantom wallet application. Once the application is launched, you will be taken to the home screen. Look for the option labeled Receive and click on it. After clicking, a new screen will appear, allowing you to select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Choose Solana or Sol from the list of available options. Once you've selected Solana, your wallet address will be displayed on the screen. This address is crucial as it is where Bitvavo will send your SOL tokens. To copy your wallet address, look for the copy icon or button next to the address. Click on this icon to ensure the address is copied to your clipboard, which you will use in the next steps. Next, you need to log in to your Bitvavo account, open the Bitvavo application or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the section labeled Assets or Wallet. This will provide you with a view of available cryptocurrencies. Look for Solana in your balance list. After locating Sol in your balance, you will need to initiate the withdrawal button located next to the Sol balance. A new screen will prompt you to enter the withdrawal address. Paste the Phantom wallet address that you copied earlier into the designated address field. This step is vital to ensure your tokens are sent to the correct wallet. Following this, you will need to select the network for the transaction. It is important to choose the Solana network as this must match the network used by your Phantom wallet to receive SOL. Confirm that you have selected the correct network before proceeding to the next step. Now enter the amount of SOL you wish to transfer in the appropriate field. Take a moment to review the withdrawal fee associated with this transaction, as fees can vary based on network conditions. Once you've confirmed the amount and reviewed the fee, proceed to confirm the withdrawal. Bitvavo may require additional security measures such as email confirmation or two-factor authentication to finalize the transaction. Finally, after you've completed all the steps, you will need to wait for the transfer to process. Transfers on the Solana network typically arrive within seconds to a minute. After the transaction is confirmed, you can check your Phantom wallet. The transferred SOL will appear under the tokens section, indicating that the transfer was successful.